Wagwan, wagwan. Welcome back to your Island Boy Africa channel. Yes, right guys. So this right here is just a short little video I'm doing for my brother back home. So basically, quick rundown for the people that don't know. I have a brother, a musical brother that plays two instruments. He plays the guitar and he plays the keyboard. Yeah, so he released a new beat on his channel that I'm asking you guys to go over and go check it out and let him know, say Island Boy, his brother sent you all, yeah. And his channel name is called Tim Jim Beats. And yeah, so basically he's trying to get back to the music again and yeah, making beats again. So please go over and give his channel some support. It's not a vlog channel. This is what he does, this is what he loves. You get me? So link will be in the description and also pin in the comment section, yeah. Alright, so yeah man, and a lot of the beats you have heard, my music, is the one that creates the beats for that. Alright, so yeah man, do that for me guys. Looking forward to see you over there. Blessings.